This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, we are sharply higher today. This basically due to comments from Fed Chairman Bernanke yesterday in a question and answer period. In fact, this was yesterday afternoon when he said that what the economy needs now is a more accommodative policy. This seems to be very much in opposite of what he had said May 22nd when he told the investment community that a tapering could take place at one of the next several policy meetings. So this apparent change in sentiment toward a tapering of the quantitative easing very much affecting all of the financial markets. In fact, this is the dominant news taking stock index futures higher. Also, it is the dominant influence taking the foreign currencies higher and the US dollar index lower. In fact, we have all the major currencies higher against the dollar: the Swiss franc, the pound, the yen, Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, the euro, all are higher. The dollar lower, and this is directly due to Bernanke's comments. Prior to his comments yesterday, the consensus view was that the Fed would scale back their quantitative easing program at the September policy meeting. Now it looks like it will be somewhat later than that, maybe next year. We haven't really had any new consensus views, but the feeling is now that it will not be at the September meeting, maybe not even this year, according to what Bernanke had said just yesterday. As far as the interest rate markets, this also very much affecting the credit futures market. Bonds sharply higher in response to Bernanke's comments, with the 30-year bond at one point over 1 full point higher on the day. However, we do feel that inflation is becoming somewhat of a threat globally. Now, these are the early stages of inflation, but I think this is the main reason why we are seeing global interest rates working higher, including here in the U.S. So even though we are seeing higher prices in treasuries today, I think that the main trend is still lower and would look for some new lows for the move within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.